I have a rear view mirror that is also a front and a rear facing camera. It says streaming media mirror dash cam. 4K. AZDOME. AZDOME. 4K. What does else say? 4K, 1080p, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, touchscreen, loop recording, G sensor, 12-inch IPS touchscreen, 24-hour parking monitoring. That's if you hook it up that way. All right, what's on the back? It's a little heavy. Oh, it's 5 volt, 2.5 amps. All right, let's open it up. What is in here? What is in here? Empty box. Mirror. A faster speed memory card is required for the deal. Please format memory card before. Do not insert or remove the card when recording. Oh yeah, that's normal stuff. Oh, come out of there. Don't come out. Oh, it's stuck in cardboard. All right, this is like the other one. All right, I'll get back to that one. Comes with card charger. Comes with 2 rubber bands, long ones. Comes with 2 short rubber bands. Comes with a GPS with a stick on. Comes with a little cleaner. Comes with the wires and the remote camera. This one's a square camera. Works the same way. This is the turn on and off. Power to the back. Should be coming through. Oh, some tools. Plastic tools and some wire ties. Some wipes. Manual. This one comes with a screen protector. Oh, there we go. Screen protector. Oh, it's not glass. It's just plastic. Look at that. That looks pretty neat. All right, let's get it out of this. This one comes apart. There it is. All right. So, let's get this off of here. You can use it like a rear view mirror. All right. All right. Let me go plug this in and I will return back to you. Okay, you have an on and off button at the bottom. On the back, you have a speaker. You have rubber. This is rubber right here. So it protects your mirror that's underneath. Reset button, your mic, your microphone, and you hook all the little hooks around and it goes around your old rear view mirror. That's your camera. Let's see, what else is on here? On the top, you have a USB slot, AV slot. That's for your reverse camera. You have a TF slot, which is your micro USB. And this one comes with a 64 gig SD card. So that fits in there, a slot like that. And you push it down until it clicks. And then that's your GPS that plugs in. You put your GPS on the dash or something, or somewhere. This is the camera. Let's plug it in and see what it does. We'll plug it in. All right, it is now plugged in. Turn it on. And this is starting up. Has the brand name on it. English. And time zone. And we set the time, the date. Do that later. Format card, yes. Why not? Stick it in process. So you got the time, the date over there on that side. Okay, let's go into the menus. We're gonna stop that recording. This is all your icons, your Wi-Fi, your loop time, parking sensors, SD card being in, time, date, month, AZDOME, your talking. This is the things that you can say and it will understand you. This is to frame your video. The video is recorded in 16:9 aspect ratio. And that is the way the video will come out at the end. Your video will be like taller than the screen. It will move up and down. You have to program what part of the video you want to center on. This is your light and darkness. And that's your voice. You got this, all this stuff. Okay, now that's your camera. Take a picture. This is the flip the screen from forward, reverse to this is how you lock your loop. So each section has a set amount of time and you can lock it. Once you lock it, it stays there and it won't ever overwrite it. That's your microphone. So when you want to talk, this is play video that you already recorded. That's your record video. Now we go into your menus. G sensor. That's your options. Video stamp. That's your options. Boot ring. That's your options. That's all that noise when you boot up. Screensaver. On, off. That's your options. Key tones. That's all that glip, bip, bip, bip you're hearing every time I touch the screen. Date and time. That's how you set your date and time. Date and time. How you want it to be displayed. Fatigue. Driving reminder. That's if you want it to annoy you every time you drive. All right. Frequency. This is the frequency of your videos. Parking guidelines. On, off. Rear view mirror. On, off. Boot display. This way you get to choose whatever when you start up the car, that will be your default. Time, the data, time, logo display. That's all those little thingies up on the right side. You can turn that on and off. Format reminder. These are all your settings. Rear flip. You can flip your rear view from your right to your left. Wi-Fi mode. On, off. And that's pretty much all your settings in there. And this is all your stuff on the screen. And they go off on their own. That's your Wi-Fi. All right, as far as build quality, this looks pretty good. It's got a little speaker back here so you can hear things, the commands. A reset button, 2 microphones, should be able to pick you up pretty good. You just click on that. Wonder if it'll do it if it don't. Turn Wi-Fi on. But look, so you don't even have to hit it. It's a pretty deep. Let's see what we got. It's a pretty decent camera. It's not that bad, but it's pretty good. Looks pretty good. I will have to work on getting some video, but that's all I got for right now. I will include video at the end, but as far as this, it looks pretty good. It looks like the picture quality is pretty decent. And it's sturdy. It's built very well. It's not like it's flexible. Got all the stuff to it. Let me unplug it. Oh, all the cords go off the side. Yeah, this is a nice unit. Nice unit. All right. That's what it is. Okay, here I'm trying to show you the reflectiveness of this screen. Unless you got the screen pointed directly to you, directly at you, you get all that reflectiveness. But if you turn the rear view mirror where it's pointing to you, then you can see the video and have no problem whatsoever. The only problem that you will have is if your rear view mirror is closer to you and your seat's up front, like pushed forward, you may have a problem looking at the video because your eyes. When you're looking out your front glass, you're seeing in a distance. When you're looking at the reflection in the rearview mirror, you're looking at distance. But when that becomes a video screen, then your eyes need to adjust. So the farther your rearview mirror sits from the driver spot, the easier and the better you're going to be to actually see the video, because your eyes don't have to focus as much. But if you are closer and you see the video, then your eyes are going to adjust a lot more. And you're going to get to the point where your eyes become blurry, or they're going to fatigue itself. That's why car companies don't like putting the videos in cars at this moment for a rear view camera. If they do, you got to put the rear view mirror a good distance away from you. I have a Land Rover, and that's the whole purpose of the Land Rover. If you look on the newer Land Rovers with the backup camera video screens, they're farther away from the driver than a normal rear view mirror is. And that's because the eye fatigue when you're looking from a distance into a video screen, which is closer. That's why when you're holding your cell phone, it's hard on your eyes to adjust from distance to a cell phone. It's the screen that's in front of you. Well, anyway, let's move on. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.